In the silence of space, two travelers have entered our solar system. One is already visible in the skies of the Southern Hemisphere, and the other is racing toward the Sun, so close it may not survive. These are not ordinary comets. They are ancient, unpredictable, and for one of them, the journey is incredibly dangerous. Welcome back to Celestial Voyager, where we explore the universe not as a science lesson, but as a story written in fire, ice, and time. And today, we are tracking to comets that could become the most exciting celestial event of the year. So, what exactly is a comet? It's not just a rock floating through space. It is a frozen relic, a cosmic fossil from the birth of our solar system, over 4.5 billion years ago. Think of it as a time capsule made of ice, dust, and frozen gases, locked away for eons. Most of them come from places so distant, so cold, that sunlight barely touches them. There are two main reservoirs: the Kuiper belt, a vast ring of icy bodies beyond the orbit of Neptune, and the mysterious Oort cloud, a theoretical sphere of comets surrounding our solar system stretching out almost a light year into space. These are the deep freezers of the cosmos. For millions, sometimes billions of years, these comets drift in silent, frozen darkness, but every now and then, a gravitational nudge from a passing star or another cosmic event can send one of them on a long, looping journey inward, toward the heart of our solar system, the Sun. As a comet approaches the Sun, it begins to wake up. The Sun's powerful heat starts to melt its icy surface. This process, called sublimation, turns the solid ice directly into gas. This gas erupts from the comet's core, or nucleus, carrying dust and debris with it. Suddenly, a glowing atmosphere, known as the coma, forms around the nucleus. And as the comet gets closer, the solar wind and radiation push this gas and dust away, creating two magnificent tails. One is the ion tail, made of gas, which is pushed directly away from the Sun and often glows blue. The other is the dust tail, which is heavier and curves slightly along the comet's orbital path, glowing a soft white. And here's the haunting truth: the comet's tails always point away from the Sun, as if the comet is trying to escape its fiery embrace. It's a celestial ballet of light and shadow, a ghost of a forgotten world streaking across our sky. And right now, one of these ancient visitors is already above us. This is Comet Wierzchoś, also known as C2023-1. It is currently visible from the Southern Hemisphere. This is a quiet traveler, moving through our skies like a whisper in the dark. Think about this for a moment. This comet may have been drifting through deep space for thousands, maybe millions of years. It existed long before human civilization. It witnessed the Earth from afar before there were pyramids, before writing, before recorded history. And now, for just a short moment in cosmic time, it passes our planet. A fleeting visitor that will not return in our lifetime, or for many lifetimes to come. Now, it's important to set our expectations. Don't expect a massive, glowing spectacle like you see in movies. Most comets, especially those that don't get extremely close to the Sun, appear as a faint, fuzzy star to the naked eye. But if you look carefully, with a good pair of binoculars or a small telescope, you may be able to see its coma, the hazy glow around the nucleus, and perhaps a thin, delicate tail stretching like smoke into the darkness. It's subtle, but it's real, and once you see it, the experience of witnessing something so ancient and so distant with your own eyes is something you lines never forget. This comet is best visible from places with clear, dark southern skies, like Australia, South Africa, Chile, Argentina, and New Zealand. If you're there, you have a rare opportunity to be one of the few humans alive to witness this particular visitor on its journey through our neighborhood. To see Comet Wierzchoś, you need three things: dark skies, patience, and silence. The most important step is to get away from the light pollution of cities. Find a park, a rural area, or a designated dark sky site. The best times to look are after sunset, once the sky is fully dark, or before sunrise. You can use astronomy apps like Stellarium or Sky to pinpoint its exact location in the sky. When you get to your spot, give your eyes at least 15 to 20 minutes to fully adjust to the darkness. This is crucial. Your night vision will improve dramatically. And then, just be patient, scan the area of the sky where the comet is predicted to be. In the darkness, the universe reveals secrets slowly, but the second comet we're tracking is not a peaceful wanderer. It is a daredevil, heading straight toward fire. This is Comet MAPS, officially designated C 2026A1, and in April, it is expected to skim dangerously close to the Sun, so close, in fact, that astronomers call it a sun-grazing comet. A sungrazer isn't just any comet. It doesn't just pass near the Sun, it dives headfirst into the Sun's death zone, an area where the intense heat and gravitational forces are almost unimaginable. As it plunges closer, the comet's surface cracks. Its ice doesn't just melt, it vaporizes explosively. Gas erupts violently from its core, like a series of volcanoes going off in space. It becomes brighter, faster, and more unstable with every passing second. And here's the terrifying truth. Most sun-grazing comets don't survive this ordeal. The immense tidal forces from the Sun can rip them apart. The intense heat can cause them to disintegrate completely, turning a once mighty cosmic iceberg into nothing more than a cloud of dust and gas, lost forever in the solar glare. But it's a big if Comet MAPS survives its perilous journey around the Sun, it could become spectacular. It could emerge from the Sun's corona as a brilliant, glowing sword in the sky, its tail stretching millions of kilometers across our dawn or dusk. It could become a celestial event that people will remember for decades, or it could die silently, burning into dust before we even get the chance to see it. This is precisely why astronomers are so excited and so nervous. Sungrazers are the ultimate cosmic gamblers. They are wildly unpredictable. We can calculate their trajectory, but we can't know for sure how their fragile structure will hold up against the fury of a star. And Comet MAPS is about to place, sped against the Sun itself. The month of April may bring us an object of breathtaking beauty, or it may deliver the tragic news of a comet's destruction. And either way, we will witness something extraordinary. We will see the raw power of the solar system in action. These comets remind us of something powerful. Our universe is not quiet. It is not static. It is alive. It is moving. It is constantly changing. And right now, above our heads, these ancient objects are traveling across a sky that we often forget to look at. They connect us to the distant past and to the vastness of space. Comet Wierzchoś is already out there, a frozen ghost from a time before humanity, offering a moment of quiet contemplation. Comet MAPS is rushing toward the fire, a high-stakes drama about to unfold. And soon, we will know whether it becomes a legend or just a memory. So tell me, what do you think? Do you believe Comet MAPS will survive its close approach to the Sun? Or will it disintegrate into dust before our eyes? And if you're in the Southern Hemisphere, have you tried to spot Comet Wierzchoś? Let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us on our next voyage. Because this is Celestial Voyager, and we'll meet again on the next journey through the universe. Thanks for watching.